guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. If you're not new here, then you'll probably know that because I'm sitting in this weird position, it means we're gonna do my weekly Shop My Stash. I'm not gonna ramble on a whole bunch, so without further ado, let's just hop right in. So first up, I'm going to find primers. I've been using those so much lately. I want to use up some of these little guys that I have, so I'm going to pull out this Becca Ever Matte one because it's almost done. I'm going to pull out this little Cover FX blurring one because I want to finish it up too. I've got a bigger one over here somewhere right there. And I'm also going to pull out this one by Becca, the Backlight Primer. So I'm going to throw those into my box. For powders, I want to try this one out some more. It's the CoverGirl True Blend. I have mine just in Translucent Light. And I'm also going to pull out this one by Milk Makeup. It is their Blur and Set Powder. So I'll put those down. I think that's it for that drawer. This drawer, I don't want to, we'll do brows. I'm going to pull out, I haven't used this in such a long time. I'm going to pull out the Anastasia Dip Brow. And I'm also going to pull out the Kat Von D Brow Struck. The powder. I love that Kat Von D stuff. It's amazing. In here, mascara. I have been obsessed with this primer lately. It's by Fusion Beauty. So I'm going to pull that out. And I'm going to, I haven't not used this in such a long time. It's the Urban Decay Troublemaker. I'm going to pull that out. And I'm also going to pull out my, not that one. Not that one. This one. The Superhero It by It Cosmetics. So that's for that. And I'm going to pull these lashes out too because I got these in BoxyCharm for November. They look so beautiful and I just have to try them out. So this is going to be the week. Oh, here we have blushes. So I'm going to pull out this Laura Geller in the Baked Blush and Brighten Tropic Hues. This bad boy is so beautiful. I mean, it's a marbleized, let's focus. It's a marbleized blush and it is so pigmented and so beautiful. So, using that one. But I'm also going to pull out this MAC. It is the Ambering Rose. Very, very beautiful. For bronzers, I'm going to, I've been using this palette a lot, is the MAC Shiny Pretty Things palette, but I don't want to use that this week because I've been using the crap out of that. I'm going to pull this one out. It's by e.l.f. It is in the shade Fiji. It's a duo. Let me open it. It's open. But, yeah. The bronzer is really pretty. So I'm going to pull that one out. But I'm also going to pull out this palette right here by Smashbox. It is the Ablaze face palette. And, oh my god. Seriously, it is stunning. So, pulling those two out. On to the next drawer. We have palettes. I don't think I'm going to pull any palettes from this drawer. I just recently got a new stand for some of my other palettes, so I need to organize this drawer. Highlighters. Here's a fun one. So I'm going to pull out this. It is the Nubian Loose Highlighter by Juvia's Place. It is new to me. I still have not worn it. I'm excited to wear it. I have some Juvia's Place videos coming this week. And I'm also going to pull out I used to love pairing these two together. This is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance. And then this is the Hourglass Vanish Stick in Flash. These two paired together look amazing. So I'm going to pull those out along with the Nubian Loose Highlighter. I don't think I need anything from this drawer. I need to move some of these up into this drawer so it's not so clutterfucked. This is crap I still need to test for you guys. And I'm feeling like I want to do some dark. I'm going to pull this one by ColourPop out. I did a look with it using the Warrior 2 palette, and I got a lot of compliments on that. So I'm going to pull out this color. And I'm also going to pull out my Kat Von D in Bow and Arrow. And I'm going to pull out this lip liner by MAC in the shade Bittersweet. And one more lip color just because I can. I'm going to pull out this one. I do believe, yeah, this one is Whirl. Okay, what do I need? I don't want that. Don't want that. Foundations we have not done. So this is coming down because most of my foundations are too dark for me now because I bought a lot of them in the summertime. So I have these just to lighten any of my foundations that I might want to wear. And for this week, this one is I'm almost out of this. So I'm going to try to use it up. I'm going to pull out the Huda Beauty, and I have to mix it with the custom cover drops because it's too dark for me. But I'm also going to go into this drawer. I'm also going to pull out, where is it? I'm going to pull this out as well. The L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Stick, just for a quick go-to foundation. What do I need now? Eyeshadow. So we're going to go down over here. This is a new stand that I have to put some of my favorite Anastasia palettes in. We've got the Modern Renaissance. We've got the Soft Glam there, Norvina, and the Sultry. But for this week, I am pulling out the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. This palette, oh my goodness. Let me open it. Don't mind my messy floor. The pans are so big. It is the perfect matte companion palette. And I'm going to pair that with this bad boy right here. It is the Magic Mini by Juvia's. Let me take this out of the box just so I can show you guys. Hang on. So this is it out of the box. I love all the artwork on the palettes. These are the shades. I mean, oh my goodness. I am so excited. So, I'm very excited to do some amazing looks for you guys using that. Paired with that, these are the only 2 palettes that I'm going to pull out for this week. And I think that covers everything. Oh no, we have not done setting spray or concealer. So I'm going to pull out the NYX Matte Finish, if I can focus. And I'm also going to pull out the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water because it's amazing. And for concealer, I'm going to pull out my Tarte Shape Tape, this big one. It's almost empty. I really need to just finish it. And I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it or not because I have been loving the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. This stuff is amazing. So I'm going to finish this up and then I'll decide if I'm going to repurchase it or not. Anyways, guys, I think that is everything that I need. So stay tuned for this week. I'm so excited to be jumping into Juvia's Place a little bit more with you guys. So far, from what I've tried, their shadows have been amazing. Anyways, if you, my finger's getting in the way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. And until next time, have a great day.